Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my eyeliner and put on my false lashes. So to start off, I do my eyebrows and my eyes first, and then I do the eyeliner, the rest of my face, and then I'll put on the false lashes. So I did my eyebrows, cleaned them up with concealer, and then just put concealer on the rest of my eyelids to cover up like any veins or anything that would like show. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with translucent powder just to set it so it doesn't crease. So for eyeliner, I like to use liquid eyeliner. So what I do is I put my mirror right under me, I look down, and then I start from the inner corner and then I just drag it out. That's all I do. And then I look at it to make sure that it's nice and even, and then I'll fill it in. Okay, so now I'm gonna go from the corner of my eye and then just connect it like that, and that's it. And then all you do is fill it in. Now to do the other side. Alright, so this one is a little bit higher than this one. It's gonna get thicker, but this is why I do eyeliner first, because then I can just clean it up with concealer. So now I'm gonna go in with my concealer and then just use the same like a flat eyebrow brush or whatever, I don't know, whatever you want to use, and then just clean it up from the bottom. Alright, and then I use the flat side and I just pat to like blend it out. Right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then I'll show you how I do how I put on my falsies. Alright, so I finished the face, and now I'm gonna go in with my lashes. For the glue I use the Revlon Precision Dark Lash Adhesive. This one, it's super old. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply the glue on both lashes and let them sit for a couple of seconds, just so that way the glue can get tacky. You want to make sure that the glue is a little bit tacky so that way it stays on, because there's a lot of, if it's still wet and you apply it, it can probably it'll just pop off. So while I wait for it to dry, I'm going to go ahead and apply some lipstick. So for lip liner, I'm using the Posy K lip liner from Kylie Cosmetics. And I'm going in with my Buxom lip gloss in the shade Kanani, I don't know. Alright, so the lashes should be pretty dry. So what you want to do, I put my mirror like this, and then I look down. Try to get close. I look down and I lift the lash, and then I put it on the middle. Alright, and then the same thing to the other side. Once you've attached them, I use the end part, and I just kind of make sure they're pushed in on the lash. There's no little gaps. And then another thing I like to do, don't do this if you're not like comfortable enough. Oh my god, is you can pinch your lashes and your falsies together. But you just want to make sure that the glue is a little bit more dry, just because if you do this and it's wet, it'll get stuck to your tweezers and then you'll take off your lash. Okay, so now that I'm done with my lashes, I go in with the pencil eyeliner and I line my lower and upper lash line. So to line the top part, I look up and then just line it like that. And then I'll go in with my mascara. So that's how I do my lashes and eyeliner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful for you guys. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.